Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a black beach ocean wave pour. Now look right here. I'm going to put, I did another one that was a regular beach pour on this board. It's 36 by 6, and I'm going to be using all kinds of shells and wood and pigments and glitter and foils. I used the foils the last time I did it. I really liked how it turned out. It looked like there was some like coral underneath. And I have a turtle here. So I'm going to go ahead and get set up. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to lay some foil down. I used this on my last pour and it turned out really well. It's not going to go down like this, but let me show you. I'm going to use some foiling glue, and I'm going to just put it here and there. Spread it out a little bit. Gotta wait till this gets tacky. Don't know how much I want here. I'm going to use a little brush. Okay, I have a brush. I'm just going to spread this out a little bit. Like that. No rhyme or reason here, just I do want it to get tacky. You can help it along with the hairdryer. So let me show you what I did. I wanted some lava back over in here. So I got a sponge, and it looks like lava, and I spray painted it. You can see all the little craters. It's actually perfect. Got a couple more pieces here. So you can use sponges, cut them up, tear them up, and use them as black rocks or whatever color rocks you want, actually. So I've got that to the side. I'll be putting that on at the end. Go ahead and hit it with the hair dryer. When it's tacky, I'll be right back. You really want to put it upside down, but you're not supposed to, so just make sure you have the foil face up. That glue might have dried too much. Yeah, it seems like it dries really fast. I'm used to using just regular glue, so I might have to redo it here. As you can see, I'm going to cut more pieces, and then just, this is barely tacky. I'm going to find out if I need to put more glue on there. Hi everyone, I'm ready to pour. I had to make sure this board was level on both sides. What I'm using today with the clear for my waves, I'm using, what is this? Just resin paste, and I put 4 drops of the Snow Cap by, what is this, by Ranger. That's my wave mix. So I don't like it real opaque, but it's sort of in between. You can see through the stick a little bit, and I hope that's enough. I'll have to see. I'm going to be using Win Alaskan Sky. I have that mixed up right here. I got this idea because I loved her work, is Rihanna. I'll put it down in the description. So she gave me the idea of using this, and I really do love it. And then on this one, I have Win, and this is called Fire Rainbow. Okay, let's get to pouring. Sorry for the noise. This is still very thin, so I'm going to let it thicken up just a little bit. So the resin I'm using today is Pudio. It had really good ratings. I will find out. Okay, hopefully this is done, and hopefully it's white enough. I think I'm going to work from this side forward. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and cover it up. I didn't really see the beach through here, but that's fine. Yeah, I'm happy with it so far. I'm not sure if I want to do another wave. If I do, it's going to be like way up here, and it's not going to be as heavy. But for now, I have some corners to catch. So I'm going to fix those, and I'll bring you back when it's dry, and I'll make my decision then. Hi, it's the next day, and I have my resin ready. I am going to put a second wave here. I've sanded the top of this. I'm not sure I really like this resin. I have a problem on the sides here, and there was a few areas that I didn't like, but we're going to move forward with this. I think in the end it's going to turn out. So what I did is, this time at the top, I'm going to use, instead of clear resin, I'm using the Emerald Isles, just a tad. Who's that from? Can't even see who it's from. Oh, Giggy Life or something like that. Anyway, again, the Win Alaskan Sky glitter, and let's get going here. I'm going to cover this, and tomorrow we will work on the beach part. So I'm going to do some touch up, and we'll see you later. It's the next day, so I'm ready to do the black sand. It's really pretty. I really like how it's turning out. So I'm going to go ahead and use Tri-Art liquid glass to stick my shells and my sand and my lava on it. So I'm going to brush that on and then put the different lava and shells and sand. I have all kinds of different little, this is sort of sparkly because black sand beaches are. I have some goldish color, and I think I'm going to put some of this. This is fish tank rocks, black, and then of course I have my lava pieces that I made out of sponge, putting those on there. So I'll play some music and let's get going. I have to wait for this all to dry, then I'm going to shake it off and see what sticks. Usually it's pretty good. Usually everything sticks really well. So I will bring you back when it dries in a couple hours. We'll shake it off and then we'll do a close-up. Okay, I'm back. It's been probably 3 hours. So let's see what stuck and what didn't stick. So I'm going to tip this over. Sorry, why didn't I do it so you could see? I'm going to go this way. That's all that didn't stick. That's pretty good. I did get one little bug in here from the initial. One of these days I'm going to get a gecko stuck in here, which will be sad. Anyway, I'm loving it. Everything's stuck. Use liquid glass. It's just easier. You don't have to mix it. It's non-toxic. Let me go ahead and get my phone and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here's a close-up. Yeah, I'm really loving how this turned out. We have a lot of black beaches here on the Big Island, and a lot lot of lava. And right now, if you want to see real lava, Kilauea is going off on the other side of the island. It's quite a sight to see. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. I might just have to keep this one for myself. Aloha. See you next time.